So iPhone 15 Pro. So this mobile was released recently in India. When we talk about the features, yeah, this mobile comes with the same size of the screen size as the older version mobile. That is 6.1 inches of Super Retina XDR OLED display, and it is a 120Hz refresh supported display. And this mobile comes with a ceramic glass protection for the front and for the back also. And this mobile also packs a lot of features which we're going to talk about them in this video. First of all, let's start with the chip. Yeah, this particular iPhone 15 Pro mobile comes with a upgraded A17 Pro Bionic chip, which is a bit faster than the older generation A16 Bionic chip. And this mobile also comes with a upgraded cameras, like the main camera comes with a total triple cameras at the back side, 48 megapixels of main wide angle camera with the OIS, and a 12 megapixels of telephoto zoom camera with the OIS, and a 12 megapixels of another ultra wide angle camera. And for the front, it comes with a 12 megapixels of front facing selfie camera and all those sensors at the front side hidden in that hinge. And this mobile also comes with a memory versions that this mobile will be available in different memory variants. Those are 8GB RAM 256, 8GB RAM 512GB, and 8GB RAM 1TB storage capacities. And this mobile also comes with a big change, that is when we talk about the battery charging section. This mobile comes with a Type C instead of Lightning port, so I think that's a great initiative by the Apple. So this mobile also comes with IP68 water and dust resistance, and this mobile also comes with front and back glass and a metal frame. And this mobile also comes with charging speeds like this older mobile, like the 20 watts of wide charge and 15 watts of wireless charge through MagSafe, and 7.5 watts of regular wireless charge, not the MagSafe one. And this mobile will be available in different color variants. I will list the colors in the description box down below with a buying link. You can directly buy it from there. And this mobile, when we talk about the other features, like this mobile comes with the Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, which are the top of the line features. And this mobile also comes with a Face Unlock ID. And this mobile, when we talk about the operating system, yeah, this mobile comes with the latest iOS 16 operating system out of the box. And when we talk about the 5G, yeah, this mobile does support a lot of 5G bands. I don't remember them, but I'll list those in the description box down below as well. You can check it out from there. And when we talk about the other features like box contents and the price and the colors, yeah, this mobile comes with a mobile in the box, the mobile itself, and a cable. I don't know, it might be a Type C to Type C or Type A to Type C, so we have to check it out. And this mobile comes with a SIM ejector tool, and yeah, that's pretty much it, and some guideline books. And when we talk about this mobile's colors, this mobile will be available in a lot of colors. I will list the colors in the description box below, as I said in the previous of this video. So this, when we talk about the price, this mobile might release with a price tag of like 1,34,000 rupees for the base variant. Yes, that's a lot of money. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the mobile. When we talk about the biggest changes, I think there is a slight improvement in the camera and a slight improvement in the body dimensions. The sharp cuts are carved into a smoother cuts of this body's edges, mobile's body edges. And this mobile, obviously the price also increased with the features, and it comes with the latest chip, so, and it also comes with the latest operating system. So those are the features of this mobile. So subscribe to the channel if you like this video, and hit the bell icon to know more. And my next video is going to be the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and that after that video is going to be the iPhone 15 Pro Max versus the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So stay tuned by subscribing to the channel.